Thereafter, about 7 years, he has not gone to school without any information.
So why don't you appear earlier?
Well, no notice has been served. Recent, no notice has been served. Earlier notice they have shown, we will not see.
So you did not attend the school for 7 years. Is there any order passed by the board considering your such absence as a deemed resignation?
No, my lord, there is, I believe, my lord, there is no such order.
Arrested on 25th July 2011, released on bail on 25th November, and joined on 2nd January 2012. What is your prayer?
For release of pension, my lord.
May I submit? Page 57.
What you have short for? Observations at page
Pension and.
57.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a confusion with regard to your date of retirement.
Retired from.
What was his date of retirement?
Well, actual date of return 31st January 2019, but she was absent from 3rd of January 2012. The last day he attended the school on 2nd January 2012. Thereafter, about 7 years, he has not gone to school without any information.
So why don't you appear earlier?
Well, no notice has been served. Recent, no notice has been served. Earlier notice they have shown, we will not see.
So you did not attend the school for 7 years. Is there any order passed by the board considering your such absence as a deemed resignation?
No, my lord, there is, I believe, my lord, there is no such order.
Arrested on 25th July 2011, released on bail on 25th November, and joined on 2nd January 2012. To regularize service from, what is the steps to be taken? You are for the state.
My lord, I am for the state, my lord. The school has taken the entire service book from the district inspector of the school. Now, so far the 7 years, my lord, leave, the school will recommend the, my lord, the for, my lord, the regularization of leave.
If at all, if at all,
If at all.
if at all.
Rules, leave rule 11. my lord,
The board will consider.
Now the
Now,
5.
so far this 25 July 11 to 2nd January 2012, you have been requested to regularize his service. What is your step?
My lord, the regularization of service, that period, my lord, unless and until the document come from the school, I cannot forward to the board. That is the rules provides, my lord. So now.
This is two aspect what I understand. That there is a huge 11-12. That means 1 year he was under custody. And who will regularize? First of all, there is one observation at paragraph 1. There is a date of retirement confusion with regard to the date of. Second, with regard to this period, regularization of service of this period. Third, but no increment was stopped. So pay 1st August 96 onwards to be seems incorrect. So therefore, increment given, increment was stopped after 96.
96.
Third point is 91 to 96 or 96 thereafter, some increment was given.
That is, he is entitled that part, my lord. Since, my lord, date of appointment till his, my lord, his sub, that period, my lord, subject to, my lord, the pay fixation that has to be made by the
Last working day.
Why are you not cooperating with the instant sanctioning of DI?
Yes, my lord. Petitioner was not cooperating.
No,
Kindly see, my
that
lord,
is
page 56. Earlier order passed by this honorable court. Page 56, the petitioner will render all cooperation to the headmaster.
You are
We
not
have said-
getting,
We have repeated requests made. Lastly, she cooperated, and my lord, we have rectified the service book. We have submitted before, my lord, we tried to submit before the DI on September 21, 2022. He is not accepting the service book. That's why I have submitted Xerox copy. We are ready with the original service book, ma'am. The DI is shifting his burden upon me, my lord.
so there are two aspects. First of all, whatever observations made by DPPG,
Yes.
no, Assistant Director, yes, DPPG, huh?
DPPG.
So you sort out, both of you. You sort out.
My lord, so far my instruction is concerned. So that period, that is the leave, absent, unauthorized leave.
That is
period,
you send
my
to
lord,
the board.
that to be done.
Have you taken any resolution for
step,
sending it
unless
that regularize it? Have you granted whatever the form,
Yes.
extraordinary leave, whatever? Have you referred it to the board?
Yes. All, madam, board, DPPG and DI, you have submitted before
So far, his long absence, you are saying.
long
7.
absence, we have reported.
No, the procedure is that managing committee is to take a resolution that the teacher was, your headmaster must be knowing that.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
this is the period of absence. We cannot grant this. It is beyond our
Yes,
capacity.
yes, yes.
We are sending it to the board. This is your task. Secondly, so far the rectification of this for the purpose
Service.
of
Yes,
returning these observation steps to be taken by the DI
yes,
with the cooperation of you and the petitioner. Right?
yes.
Already such direction is there. So what is the difficulty? Where is Mrs. Bhattacharya?
My lord, Learned Senior Toli Bhattacharya is in Tamil Nadu. Asha is not reached yet. She got stuck in traffic. Kindly, my lord, I prefer short
No,
pass over.
you have to take a resolution. What is your stand to that? So let me understand for the period of absence. What is the exact period of absence according to your record?
Near about 7 years. On 3rd January 2012 to the date of regular return, ma'am. 31st January 2019.
It is, he was absent in this school. So ask your client who is present in court whether any resolution, any application was made on by the petitioner for grant of such without pay or extraordinary leave.
We have already taken a resolution and if the board permits,
Give me the resolution.
ma'am.
স্কুল বলবে আমি তো যেহেতু রাজি স্কুল পাঠাবো তো সার্ভিস কাগজ দাও তাহলে একটা কাগজ বাড়ির দেখতে হবে লোকটা আছে না কারণ নেই
So already you have adjusted his absence for these 7 years. And absence as earned leave, half average pay leave up to 3rd February 2012. But unauthorized leave from 14 to 2012 to 31st January 2019.
We have no power.
You have no power. So you have decided to send it to the board, higher authorities. Though Mr. Bari's client never applied for such.
Yes.
Now, you send this resolution with necessary papers.
Not the school absent from the schools. He was prevented categorically. I could not join, repeated representations.
What need that?
And
Now,
At the matter, they have not passed any final order. So I have not received any.
no, will it not be referred to board for consideration? Board has to be, the resolution they have taken, suo motu resolution they have taken. Not yet, possibly not yet.
Yes, my lord.
Already forwarded? Oh, this has already been forwarded. So this part goes. So for the observation number, other observations, the PSA can sort it out.
Arrested, released on bail, joined PSC request to regularize. the
Mr. Bari, do one thing, because after going through this resolution, I find that some period is overlapping with each other. Managing committee has adjusted it. So let the DI convene a meeting with the petitioner and the school authority.
That will be great.
And thereafter, if he finds that some of the observations can be answered this way, and some of the answer cannot be because board's approval is necessary, and then we will be
Submit the report.
disposed of.
It will be helpful to my learned friends, right? Senior friends.
Because of the fact, my lord, he is the retired employee, I can't recognize. Your lordship kindly direct the DI to hold a meeting in the school and the petitioner.
That what I am suggesting. So
Grateful.
why report? Dispose of.
Again, he has approach before the.
Tiring, Mr. Bari. It's really tiring. The authorities has to do their work in every time.
The authority discharge their duty.
At least this kind of things. It should have been. Ashun. The petitioner is a
On Monday, they can hold a meeting, all are here.
the petitioner. Oh, sorry. In compliance with the direction passed by this court on July 31, 2023. The headmaster of Madhurpur
Yes, ma'am. Madhurpur High
School,
High School.
Hooghly, district Hooghly. Madhurpur High School, district Hooghly. Namta the headmaster, Mr. Namta the. What is his name?
Sanjoy Chatterjee.
Mr. Sanjoy Chatterjee. Evaluation in terms of the Mr. Sanjoy Chatterjee, the headmaster of such and such school, is personally present before this court. His such appearance is dispensed with for the time being. Stop. The petitioner is an assistant teacher of the said school. He, uh, after he applied for pension and other retire, he applied for disbursement of his retirement benefits after superannuation. Stop. The pension papers of the petitioner. Now, the pension sanctioning authority forwarded the pension papers of the petitioner to the director of Pension Provident Fund and Group Insurance Government of West Bengal. The respondent number such and such. Stop. The papers have been returned to the pension sanctioning authority with some observations. White memo number such and such dated
My lord, dated
3rd September.
24th November 2021.
The observations are under challenge in the instant writ petition. Stop. To resolve the issue, the District Inspector of School is E. Hoogley, respondent number C. Hoogley, respondent number such and such, is directed to convene a meeting with the petitioner and the school authority on
1 week in next
I'm fixing a date.
Monday. পারা যাবে Monday আমি CI করে ফেলবো।
21st August will do. On August 21, 2023 at his office. Stop. The parties are directed to render assistance to the petitioner and the school authorities are directed to render assistance to the respondent number such and such. A report be filed by the respondent number such and such on the same date, on the returnable date, 25th August.
Kindly, at the same time, kindly direct the GI to accept this original service.
I am
He's not
Why
accepting.
I made cooperation.
my lord, may I submit?
Not unless you know that he,
Cooperation,
we will cooperate, but let them accept.
all parties to cooperate with each other.
My lord, one of the representative of the board is also my lord, regularization of
Not that. Let you return that this period cannot be unless it is referred. Then with the specific period, I'll be referring to the board for their consideration. If he is entitled to approval without pay or extraordinarily whatever, then the question of sanctioning pension and disbursement of it.